Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make cauliflower fried rice. Take 1½ cups of cauliflower florets in a mixing bowl. Add 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a little salt. Mix well and keep aside. Now take 1/4 cup of gram flour in a mixing bowl and add a little salt. Add water little by little and mix well. Bring it into a semi-thick consistency. Now add the batter into the cauliflower florets. Mix well. Heat oil in a thick bottomed pan over high flame and deep fry the cauliflower florets. When it turns crispy, take it out. Keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a thick bottomed pan over high flame. Now add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Stir continuously and add 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion. Saute this for a few seconds and add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped beans, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped carrot, 1/4 cup of thinly sliced cabbage, and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped capsicum. Saute this for some time and add 3 teaspoons of chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of pepper powder and a little salt. Saute this for a few seconds and add the fried cauliflower florets. Stir well and add 5 cups of cooked rice. Stir well. Now add 3 tablespoons of finely chopped spring onion greens, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix well and turn off the flame. Now it is ready to serve. Please try it out and post your feedback.